In this video, I'm going to show you how to fix Nova extension. If you're running into any issues, there's a multiple different reasons why this could be happening. But let's go ahead and actually go over some of the most common solutions. So the first thing I want you guys to do is I want you guys to open up the Nova Telegram channel right over here. And then you want to go ahead and just open up the menu. So just do like /menu. And then you should get something that looks like this. This time, you want to go ahead and select on this option that does say settings right over here. Then you want to go ahead and select over here where it says Nova Click. From here, you want to make sure that use panel settings is actually turned on. Now, sometimes like this happened to me before when I first downloaded NovaClick, this option was actually red, meaning that I wasn't able to use the panel settings. So what you need to do is you need to press on it and then it should actually turn green, and that's how you know that you are good to go. And obviously you want to go ahead and just refresh it a couple of times if you're not noticing any changes or stuff like that. So the next thing you want to do is you want to make sure you are on a right platform. So for example, I'm currently using Bullx, and that actually does work for Nova Click. However, not all platforms will work for Nova, so it's really important that you only go on platforms that are compatible with Nova Click. If you guys found this video helpful, make sure to leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you in the next tutorial.